we are saying, given that the functions, I'll use the same functions. So given that the functions y is equal to 2x squared, okay, plus 4x minus 5. So now they're saying that determine the x coordinate of the turning point. So now how do you find the x coordinate of the turning point? So my good friends, how you can find, because I said that if the turning point, and this one has a positive, so to have a minimum, so meaning the curve will be like this. So we need to know the turning point, which has x and y. So now we want to know first y. How do you find that coordinate y? So you use the formula, x is equal to negative b over 2a. This is the formula that you use when you're finding the x coordinate of the turning point. Okay, and the marker is now diminishing. Goodness me. Okay, so x is equal to negative b over 2a. That's the formula that we use. So from this given function that you have been given, remember this 2 is your a, this 4 it is your b, and that negative 5 it is your c. Okay, so you say x is equal to negative, what is your b? 4 over, what is your a? It is 2. Okay, then now say x is equal to negative 4 over 2 times 2 is what? 4. Then now our x will be negative 4 divided by 4 is 1. So the value of x in this case is negative 1. So we have managed to find for the x coordinate, for the x-axis, that it is at negative 1. So if we were to plot on the graph, we would stand at negative 1. For example, if we had something like this, so if we had a positive 1 here, negative 1 there, okay, that means that's where our point is. Okay, now how do you find for the y? How do you find for the y? My good friends, there are 2 methods that you can use to find for the y. You can either use this formula, y is equal to 4ac minus b squared over 4a. Or, if this one is too much to handle, you can just replace on your given function. Just replace on your given function. How do you replace? This time, what you're going to do, since you know the value of x, you replace on the values of x. So it will be y is equal to 2, open bracket, negative 1 squared, plus 4, open bracket, negative 1, minus 5. So what we have done is, since we know what the x is negative 1. So we replace on this so that now we find the y. So the y is equal to negative 1 squared is 1. So 2 times 1 it is 2. Plus negative 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. Minus 5. So our y is equal to 2. Positive times negative 4 is negative 4. Minus 5. So our y is equal to 2. Negative 4 minus 5 is negative 9. So my y is equal to 2 minus 9. 2 minus 9 is negative 7. So the value for y is negative 7. This is your turning point. Mean this curve turned at it. So on the negative we have, let's say our y-axis, our negative 7 is here. So we say it is at this point where there is negative 1 and negative 7 at this point. That's where the curve turned. Kind of. Okay, so that's how you do this. Is it tie y?